What's going on, guys? Today we're going to look at how to check your internet speed using Python. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is install a module that is unfortunately not built in Python. To install this module, we're going to head on over to our terminal and say pip install speedtest-cli, then press enter to install it. With that installed, let's go ahead and build our program. The first thing we're going to say is from speedtest import speedtest. Then we're going to initialize it using st equals speedtest, and to print the download speed, we're going to say print, in this parentheses we're going to say your download speed is, and then we're going to call that st variable. Then we're going to say dot download. Now to print the upload speed, we're going to say print, in this parentheses we're going to say your upload speed is, and once again we're going to call that st variable and then dot upload. To make things more interesting, let's see the pin time of our connection. By the way, if you don't know what pin time is the time that it takes for data to travel from your computer or device to the servers and back. A low pin time indicates that the data packets are traveling quickly between your device and the server, resulting in a faster internet speed. And a higher pin time suggests that there are delays or congestion in your network, leading to a slower responsiveness. So to check the server's pin time, we're going to say st.getServers, and in this parentheses we're going to add square brackets. And to print the ping time, we're going to add a print statement, and in here we're going to say ping, and then we can say dot, then we need to say st.results.ping. And that's all the code that we need. Now let's go ahead and run our program. And there's the information. Python gave us the download speed, the upload speed, as well as the ping time, so our program works. And that concludes this video. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.